Today we're looking at a very common phrase, can't handle this.
What's your mindset like going into this interview? Are you a spicy food fan by nature?
I do like spicy food, but I'm feeling like I'm saying that now and then it's gonna be really easy to make fun of me if I can't handle this, but I'm focused.
In the clip, she's talking about the spicy wings and saying they might be too much. So can't handle this means something is too much to deal with. It can be too difficult, too stressful, too emotional, or too intense. People use it when they feel overwhelmed, or when something is just too much in that moment. Here are 2 quick examples.
I have 3 deadlines today. My phone won't stop ringing, and now the internet is down.
Yeah, I can't handle this.
I thought it would be a normal movie, but it's actually really sad.
I know, I can't handle this.
Now say it out loud, I can't handle this. Okay, write your own sentence in the comments using can't handle this. And if you want more short, practical English lessons, subscribe to our channel.